Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Maritza. Welcome. Nice to meet you and have you here. For those of you who've been here already, welcome back, and I'm glad you're back. um, Today's video is gonna be my Bolzano. Bolzano is a handbag subscription for those of you who don't know, and it can be monthly, quarterly, yearly, the subscription. And the monthly subscription is, I paid like $33, $34, something like that. $33.95. And it's free shipping, and you get a handbag and accessories. You receive a beautiful purse and 2 to 3 accessories monthly, up to $250 value, and the shipping is free in US. Canada is $30 shipping, and your card will get charged on the 10th of each month, and the bag is delivered around the 15th of every month, and the bags are picked by a team of stylists. When you first sign up, they have a quiz, and you fill out the quiz, and it'll ask you for your favorite colors and all of that stuff. And if you like big bags, small bags, totes, shoulder, crossbody, all kinds of things, all kinds of questions, and this way they know what you like. You could cancel at any time, and let's see if they say anything else here. I'm reading off their webpage. I'm trying to hurry up. I don't know. The yearly subscription is $366, and they have different things you can add on, like the seasonal one is $45.99. They have a quarterly for $101.85. They have just a subscription for accessories. I received this with the earrings in the Bolzano, and I love this. I wear it all the time. This is my second month receiving it, because the first one, the mailman put it in somebody else's mailbox, I guess, and so I didn't receive it, and I had to call customer service, and customer service is excellent. And the bag comes like this, and this card is telling you about Mother's Day. It says kick off Mother's Day with our special mom's box, custom box just for mom the first month, monthly handbag, accessories, and purse companions, all for $43. And in the back it says purse companions receive 2 to 3 cosmetics or skincare items, each only $10. And it has here some silicone socks and moisturizing cream, makeup bag, and mirror. And comes nicely tied with a ribbon that says Bolzano. And I'll show you what's on the back of the card. The silicone socks, and moisturizing cream, and the mirror. And then in the front, I seen Subbox Lover, a YouTuber. She received the one for Mother's Day, and the bag comes in this nice dust-up, and this does come in a mailer, and I took it out, but I haven't seen the bag. I'm just seeing it for the first time. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is my style, but we'll see. Oh, there's something in here. It looks like there's something in here, because this is like tape. I don't know what that is, but it feels like something in there. And then I received this. I don't know what all this is, really. And there's a little note in here. Let's see what the note says. And it says, oh my goodness, this paper so. How can I tweak my style for next month? I would like different attributes in the product sent. That's the question. The answer is you can access your style profile by visiting BolzanoHandbags.com. Go to my account located in the footer. Click on the link, update style questionnaire. Then there's another question. What if I want a different color or style? Answer. You can always exchange your bag for a different color or style. If the bag sent was not one within your selected preferences, the exchange is complimentary. If it was within your preferences and you still would like an exchange, you simply pay shipping. Exchanges go to, and then it has the address. And on the other side says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen to place you at the very edge of fashion's latest trends with Bolzano Aurora bag. Aurora bag. Its laser cut design complements the spring, summer's latest look from top clothing designers. The Aurora shoulder bag is debuting in midnight gray. This trendy bag also comes in white, gold, and poppy red. It's constructed of a soft and supple vegan leather that flexes for a soft and slouchy look. Each is equipped with an inside security pouch that includes all the convenient compartments you've come to love from Bolzano. Use this extra complimentary pouch with or without the bag. It's up to you. What we love about this bag: ornamental rings, dual handle strap, detailed laser design, slouchy soft feel, and constructed bottom. Okay. And this is the bag. Seems like kind of funny the way it's oh, because it's a slouchy bag, it says. And this is the bag, and it's mine is in gold, and it says Bolzano. Let's see. I don't know why. Where's my scissors? Right here. And this is what they meant by the, see how pretty? And it has this, I don't know what this is for. And in the inside, it doesn't have any pockets. It does have a stain there. I don't know. And this is what they meant by the bottom. So that is my bag. I don't know. This is like so short, the strap, but I guess I will use it. And now let's see what's in here. I think there's something in here. I'm so excited to see what's in here. I don't know what this is. I think this is what they meant by, yes, here goes along the strap. And I guess this will go on here. I don't want my camera to stop recording. But then this will be too long. I don't like them too long either. I guess I could adjust it a little bit more. And what else is in here? Is there anything else? No. Oh, my bracelet got caught. Oh yes, there is. Feels like something else in here. I don't know what all this is. Oh my God, what's all this garbage? Oh, I see. This can be used. Here goes. It has, this is like cloth, and it has 2 pockets in there, and then it has the zipper. I guess you could just drop this in the bag, because since the bag does have this design, and you can see, well, you can drop that in the bag.
Go.
And use that to put the stuff inside. And I'm so excited to see what else is this. Okay, let's see. This is cute. It matches my bag that came in my Allure this month. It was see-through. So now I have like a matching set. And I think this is a bracelet. That's right. Oh, this is pretty. That is so pretty. Let's see how it looks. And that is so pretty. Oh, it told me I broke it already. No. It's so pretty. You're moving the camera. Stop. And let's see what's in the other bag. My grandchildren playing hide and seek or something. Oh, this is pretty. Here you go, guys. That is so pretty. I don't own anything like this. But what is it? It can't be for the neck. It's too short. It has like a little loop and a little knot. I guess you would put it in through there. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it's beautiful. But this is like burgundy with like gold, but that's not the only thing. Then I have a brown one. This is a brown heart with the gold. And then I have a blue one. I'm sorry, I should show you. I could wear it that way. And I could wear this one that way. It would be orange. And then this one I could wear it that way. That is so nice. I really like this. Really, really, really like it. So yes, guys, I'll leave the information on the bottom, and that was my Bolzano for April. I hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and please give me a thumbs up. Until my next video, bye guys.